years of visualization, it still my
Mình viết số
challenge.
thành thần này.
So, first of all, you don't write only with big letters. You always use big and small letters together. No handwriting. No handwriting.
Viết không rõ.
Not too narrow. Here I wrote very narrow. The different letters should not touch each other. Small space between, that helps.
Cái này ở Việt Nam dễ
But
dàng
also
viết như
not
vậy.
too wide, because otherwise you don't have enough space to write on. Usually, the biggest mistake done by beginners is this one here, that they write the big letters double the size of the small letters, like this here.
Take space.
Huh? You see, it's not necessary. It's not necessary. It's enough if you write half, like this here. Huh?
Anh đánh dấu ấy.
And then like this. So this, the big letters, we cut by the half. The letters with a downstroke here, with the part of here, the quick, the Q or the J or the Y or the G. Huh? It doesn't have to be like this. Huh?
Không hẳn.
It's enough just to extend it a little bit. And also a big mistake is this one here.
Hai ô đấy.
Hello, học nhỏ. Ở nhà em suốt ngày thấy nó báo.
Now make the small letters bigger. So use block letters. How do you call it? Block letters? No.
Block.
Huh?
Normal writing.
Capital letters.
Use capital letters.
No,
No.
capital is big one.
Capital is the big one.
Yes.
Small
Mix
letters.
capital and small letters. Huh?
Just normal.
Reduce the upper size of the capital. Reduce it, and make the small letters bigger. And that's it.
Okay.
No handwriting, no narrow writing, no wide writing, just small and big letters. And like this you can read it from behind still. And never make long sentence, never. Always, always write like this. Big, brown, dog. Make sentence by sentence, not one big sentence, but shorten them to a block. Like this, you can read it better. Because if you make a long sentence on the flip chart, suddenly you don't have enough space to use the other space between. So shorten the sentence, a long sentence, shorten it to different lines, and then you can handle it as a different block. Like I did it, I don't know. And always, that's a law, always I first write and then I draw, or I make the box around, because the letters, the writing is the most important. If they can't read it, they will not understand. They have to read it. So therefore I usually write with this one here and draw with this one the rest. So we have a difference between the strong, bold switcher and the narrow drawing of the picture. So like this, or like this, if it makes sentences in different lines, then you can use it like this. Huh? Then you can make a box around. If it's too long, you can't do that. And I personally, I like if we have such things here. Here. Huh? Normally, I should make the circle bigger to surround it, but like this, I crack this circle and that makes it more attractive.
More dynamic.
More dynamic, yes. Also here, it's a mistake. I did it wrong, I cancelled it, but now it makes it special. Special. So don't be sad if the box is not very precise and closed. It makes it more attractive. So now, just try to write this sentence in a nice way. And again, nice way means shorten the capital, or also the H, this one here, or the key, or the F, shorten. And also this one here, also shorten it, not too long. I don't know what chapters do you want to bring to poster. You have here some ideas, rules, a timetable, a to-do list, different aspects of the participant or of the people in the meeting. What do they mean? Here you have, you could describe 4 topics of a subject. I like personally the roadmap.
Yeah, me too.
That's a very, very good layout to describe a roadmap, or the analysis. Now here you can write analysis of blah, 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 and then people are telling you and you're writing it down in short blocks, never in long sentences, in short blocks. Also the same, I usually use this one here, collection of ideas. A welcome poster. This is also something you could use, and in the book you have also some examples how to do it. On the topics of a meeting, learning stages. Yeah, for us these 4 steps are. I have a lot of content with the 4 learning steps. Another roadmap could also be the mountain climbing. Not only the road, but also the mountain climbing, or also 2 different aspects. What are the what counts for a house? What counts for a fabric hall? I don't know. Whatever. So first of all, I have to know what do I want to bring on the poster, what subject, and then I think, what could I do? How could I arrange it? Which layout could I use? Which layout could I use? So, what do you want to bring to the poster, Yen? What is your? Do you have an idea what you could bring to a flip chart?
Yeah, about farming models.
The family models.
Farming.
Farming models. So it's a roadmap, or it's an overview about the different types.
I'm still thinking. It's very hard to find which way to go.
I just want to show you how I did it. When I created this poster here.
Maybe the roadmap would be most suitable.
Maybe the roadmap. Okay, if you have different steps to fulfill until the goal. Yeah. I was using, that was from a client. I'm always using the backside of the papers, and then I just was thinking the points I was preparing before on a mind map, of course. The content was ready. And then I was thinking, how could I bring it to the paper? And I decided to have 8 different blocks. And usually I do the title on the top, but sometimes, like over there as well, I like to do it also basement of the flip chart. There are a lot of different possibilities, but now I just want to encourage you to choose one of these layouts. Also, a welcome poster could also be a very good idea to have a finished flip chart, because it's always the same. Huh? And it's a start. Because now we are going to develop your flip chart. So let's do like this. Again, your farming steps. Oh, I have one left. Which elements do you need for your flip chart?
Soil.
And now, that's the reason you have a A4 block, a pencil or a pen, and we don't now work in the beginning on the big paper, we work on the small paper. Soil. What else?
Water.
Water.
Seeds.
Seeds. How do you write this?
Yes.
S-E-E.
S-E-E-E-D.
Seed.
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 Ah, that's the reason that you were, yes, you were. Then it comes up. Huh? Okay. What else?
And
Fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
No.
my microorganism.
Microorganism. Ooh. Micro.
Insects.
Or.
Pesticide.
Reline.
Worms.
Worms. Yeah.
Worm.
Worms.
Worm. And now this one you can need the sun for that, or you can.
No, the worm.
Ah, the worm.
Worms.
Okay, voila.